How oxtail and soup come into this now? Please, Father God, help me. Welcome back to the channel. We there again. Alright, Irie-Acts people. Irie-Acts, remember for like, share, and subscribe to the channel. You understand me? Share to the friend them. If you get a laugh, send it to probably a friend and get a laugh to probably them have the same reaction as even probably you. You understand me? So remember, if you don't want to hear me and chat off my mouth, run go watch the video and then forward back here. So you understand me? It's simple. You just watch it with me, bro. So this is actually trying Jamaican food, or Africans trying Jamaican food for the first time. So we love the African culture, we love the African people. Them love we same way. You understand me? Jamaica we love everybody for some reason, but we love the Africans them. You understand me? Yeah, so this it go weird because Africans them, but make we see what is going on. The channel is virtually hungry. So if you don't want to check out the channel, check out the video first and then forward back the link in the description. Alright, so we're gone. Don't the chat.
I love the texture of the rice and the texture of the peas in it as well. The peas is not so strong, it's not so soft. It's more like when you're preparing Nigerian fried rice.
It's very soggy. I think the first thing that comes to my mind when I look at this is it's really soggy. Like they forgot to drain out the water.
Definitely tastes like white rice with a little, like a sprinkle of pepper. Hi, I'm Eniola. I'm Nigerian and I'm such a foodie, which is why you can see me on your screen right now.
Hi, my name is Davina. I'm from Congo and I'm going to be trying Jamaican cuisine.
Hello everyone, my name is Amulua. I'm Nigerian and you're about to watch me eat Jamaican food.
On first look, it actually
Rice
is very Nigerian. It looks like the regular Nigerian rice and beans. It's just that there's just like a little bit of peas here and there. So what's this called?
That is rice and peas.
See, I'm actually on point. I'm still on game.
This looks like a very common rice. I mean, I'm seeing rice and beans, and my mom prepares a lot of rice with beans.
It has like a very distinct smell that is a bit overwhelming for me, if I'm going to be honest. Maybe because I'm just not used to rice smelling this way. Like, I don't know.
So what I can like this to is ofada rice. It smells like the Nigerian ofada rice.
First of all, it smells really nice.
Alright.
It smells really, really nice. And compared to how it looks, it doesn't taste the same. It actually tastes way better than it looks.
Okay, I like it. It has like a nice blend of like crunchy and soft. So I usually don't like my own rice too soft. And that's why I was very concerned when I first, took a look. Because it was really soggy. And soggy
Crunchy rice? No. Crunchy? No. Crunchy? No.
rice is usually somehow. But this is nice actually.
Oh my god, this is actually really good. Definitely tastes like white rice with.
At least them I like it. And I like some culture, when them taste of food, them just start, But and Nigerian, and as you say, the Nigerian rice or whatever them should call it, or fada, it's like a certain name, it's like similar to rice and peas. So them are gonna like it. I think rice and peas is you understand me, but we'll continue.
A little, like a sprinkle of pepper. And then the peas, they have their own separate taste like actual normal peas. And okay, I didn't get any of the beans. Let me try that again.
It's so them people, them things we look on the rice and the peas different. Sometimes we don't. We don't really look on that. If you cook stew peas, when I just look on and just say, we single out the peas as something where we eat by itself. Because I doubt people are gonna say them are the stew peas and don't have a piece of meat tonight. You're not gonna do stew peas and not have a piece of meat. And you're gonna have at least chicken food piece. If I even buy a 1 pound of chicken breast, and put in your naga just stew peas and just you get necessary so them just like rice and peas when you just have it. You understand? So if you're an African, yeah, what you saying, you really understand the culture here. So it's not really we say rice and beans, we know peas, and we don't separate it. We just eat it as one. We not say, all right, we are try some of the rice. Oh, don't forget the beans, or don't forget the peas. No, it will come out. You realize that it look equal. Yeah. So, oh, cool. Watch.
Okay, so the beans taste like bread kidney beans. So it's actually totally normal. It looks like something that I would eat every day.
I can't really speak for the flavor, probably because I haven't had something like this before. But all I know is that
what she mean by she never have something like this before is rice and peas. Stop, no. Though, because you don't hear what she call it first. Common rice. What she mean by that? What you mean by common rice? Everybody eat this. Such a made fun of common. Everybody. To eat rice and peas come like I would say delicacy. Yeah, on Sunday, so when she talk about common rice, and then she come and talk about she never eat this before. I know she must eat rice and beans or peas in a something combined thing. Nigeria, them listen, them not to criticize our food. They don't even want to start this, but watch it.
it tastes really good. I love the texture of the rice and the texture of the peas in it as well. The peas is not so strong, it's not so soft. It's more like when you're preparing Nigerian fried rice. The peas are not supposed to be too soft. So to me, they're just
Perfect.
yeah.
Is that what?
The
Sorry.
spiciness.
I shouldn't have it before.
Okay, well, on a scale of 1 to 10, this is a 7.
Oh.
Because I mean, I don't expect rice,
7
just
double.
rice, to be this spicy. Usually, it's like the stew of the
The pepper boss. If it's spicy, the pepper boss tonight, mama. Yeah, them give the part with the pepper boss. So if you eat our rice and peas and it tastes spicy, yeah, just know say the pepper did bust tonight and hush. I just saw it go hush.
sauce that comes with the rice that has the pepper. But eating just rice with this level of spice, yeah, that's very unusual. But I like it though.
So I'm the type of person that would eat only atarodo in food. So I would rate the spiciness like 3 out of 10 because I can't feel the kick at all. It's just at the
Yes, she can't feel the kick. She not get no pepper in her feet. Yes, me tell her. The pepper no bust over that part there. So where she can she not get no spiciness. Rice and peas not supposed to be spicy. It's supposed to be flavorful. It's supposed to spice coming out of the chicken or the meat where you eat it with. So if you know, I'm just trying to explain the culture because I know a lot of people get it wrong. Rice and peas not supposed to be spicy. It's supposed to have a little tinge, a little, but not spicy to the point where you taste it. Like, you know, like you can say, hot man, you have to drink what? No. If that happen, people, is burst the pepper burst night. And as we say, hush. She never get the part where it bursts. So sometimes it bursts over the left, the right part of the side, part good. So people are just for culture, you have to just understand it. So,
initial taste that I can tell that there's a little bit of pepper in it.
On a scale of 1 to 10, probably because I eat a lot of pepper, I'll say this is a 5. And it's fine. It's very fine.
It definitely reminds me of a father rice. Definitely. So I'm not really a peas person, honestly. So if I could replace the peas with beans, yeah, peas out.
Me I tell you, so them separate the rice and the peas. Because she says she'll only eat the rice alone and not the peas. We don't do that. And we don't cook things with color. And the color get it red and that's it.
Okay, so at first with, like when I first opened it, it smelled so much like Nigerian pepper soup. So, and it smells,
How oxtail and soup come into this now? Please, Father God, help me. Oh, oxtail and soup come together. We don't do that. Please, don't think so whatever. It's such Nigerian soup. I don't even know what that. We not do soup and ask that not for coming in the same sentence. If you when you come to Jamaica, please don't ask, but oxtail and say soup behind it. Please, may I beg you, alright? Yeah.
A little bit. How do I describe it? It smells like chicken stock. Yes, that's how I would
Chicken stock of soup, more don't make Jesus.
describe it. Yes, like broth. Yes,
No.
like broth.
It looks more like Nigerian pepper soup.
No. Well, oxtail don't look like no soup. Jesus have mercy, Father.
Though I can smell the pepper already from here. So pepper soup to me.
This is pomo now. Yeah,
Hey, them African I eat Jesus Christ.
yes now, it's pomo. Ha.
So
Well, I'm the African brother, Jamaican sister. I see you guys. Yes.
Okay, let's see. Tasting it at first, it's a little bland. Like the meat doesn't have its own what's it called seasoning in a way, but it's definitely like very soft. It's easy to chew, so easy to chew. It melted in my mouth, and
What them people are talking about? Them sure that Jamaican cook the food because I don't know if oxtail and soup coming together. So if the oxtail look like soup, I don't think it's the oxtail gravy in that even supposed to so watery. Look like soup. I can't, and yeah, oxtail for chewy, alright for soft, for it to fat, but when I get the soup part and the chicken broth and I don't understand. I mean if you show how the food look. Because I don't feel like them a show how the food actually look. For me see say I oxtail them a eat. Because I don't think
that's great.
that no look like I don't know, see me like that don't look like oxtail to me. That look that too round and shiny. No. And that have skin. What? Oxtail eats. Yeah, I don't even know, dog. John, I'm confused with more.
I really like this.
Hands down, this is giving Nigerian pepper soup. And that's why I said like this is pomo. Because it's pomo now, Abby. So this reminds me of Nigerian. Okay, well, only that Nigerian pepper soup is definitely a lot more, it's more watery. This is thicker. Yeah. But yeah, this gives Nigerian pepper soup. The pepper definitely like jumps at you as soon as you open the plate. Like that's the first thing that greets you.
Them need for sure the food. Yeah, them need for sure the food. And them need to make sure say, is a Jamaican cook the food? I don't understand how these people are comparing oxtail to soup. I've never heard that before. No matter how much time I ask or me hear people, how the oxtail a taste. Them never compare it to a soup. So and even it have like a spice, but it not feel so hot to the point where the pepper kick off your face. Remember I have pepper pot in. We have something like that already where that kick off face that. You understand me? That I kick our face with the spice in it. So have them something there. We culture though love a lot of spice. We like spice, but we don't like the kick our face spice. If you understand, we like the pepper. We like when we cook chicken having like a spice, so you can taste the spice in it. But we don't like the as you smell the food, I just pepper your smell. No. People who don't know enough to watch the rest of this. Me nah sit down and watch the listen, I'm sorry. Me can't no. Me know not go back to the time to wash off all of me nah, no. Somebody DM me and said, no, I'm not watching out the video them because I don't need to go watch the video them on the people them channel. I don't want to like some reaction them, but no, I'm not going to watch the people them video. This, I don't know this. I probably try a different channel because this, I don't know. And Africans, them food, them are people. Because for them food, my God, man. I don't even, no, I don't want to criticize the culture of food. Because God no. I don't want to do it over the internet. It's just that, wow. That's all I'm going to say about them. Wow. Them food, I've never eat it before, but how it looks wow. If you understand what I mean. Yeah. So this is it, people. A short one, but one reaction nonetheless. You understand me too? As I say, Africans are trying Jamaican. And people who I like the one them where them carrying the food, like them cook it themselves. They are Jamaicans and them cook it themselves and then carry it in. And then you understand me, because me pan this, me no know who cook that, because you cannot compare oxtail and soup. I don't know of that. No, me never hear that before. So she need that. You see them didn't even show it. Them don't even show it. Just imagine how watery that thing look. You can't represent the culture, brother. And no, I'm not like that. I know I see one channel that do it, but I'm not gonna react to it. I see one channel, them promote, them push them say Jamaican food when it's not Jamaican food, brother. I don't like it, dog. I see it and I say, say, I eat them, I say, I look on some actual people that try actual Jamaican food. You understand me? I don't like the channel them where I post Jamaican food and them not posting where we actually eat. When you look what them do, you're like, dog, what that? We don't. People, if you want me to react to that, comment. If you don't want me to react to that, to them food the way, I don't know not Jamaican food that. Just comment and let me know. This, Jesus have mercy, I don't know what it is. Alright, as I say, this is it from long time. I'm still a chat. But this is it. This is actually it, people. I'm out. This is Irie-Acts. Remember for like, subscribe, share the video them with your friend them. If you get it out. Irie-Acts. We're gone. We're out. God, we're gone.